Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your name on Valorant. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Valorant application on your device. After you are signed into Valorant, go ahead and click on the human icon located at the top right. Now you will be able to see your display name at the top of the pop-up. Click on the account details option in the menu and then you will be able to see this interface. Right next to Riot ID, go ahead and enter the new game name as well as your tagline in the text box. Remember that once you've changed your tagline and your game name, you won't be able to change it till 90 days. So make sure to make a wise choice over here and enter the correct name and tagline. But if 90 days has been passed since the last time you changed your name, you will be able to make further changes. So that is how you can easily do it. Once you make the changes, you can click on the Save Changes button in order to change your Riot ID or your account's name. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.